of bringing in Harmeet Singh this far up the order. Yes, he's a handy batter, but I would classify more as a middle to low order, come in and swing towards the death overs, try and attack the bowler then, because it is more of that. It is more swinging to the stars. At this point, you want someone who can create that partnership and rotate the strike with Binod Bhandari, who's going really well, 28 of 25.
Wonder is he almost been sent in a kind of a number 3 pinch hitting role? Is he just going to have a go at everything? 8 have been bowled, the first wicket has fallen. It's 57 for 1.
आफ्ना हरेक चिन्ताहरू अब हामीलाई छोडिदिनुस्। तपाईको भोलिको भरपर्दो साथी सानीमा रिलायन्स लाइफ इन्स्योरेन्स खुलेर जियौं।
तर यो सिद्धि दाग यो निकाल्न इजी सर्फ एक्सेल इजी वाश यसको 10 हातको शक्ति छ यस्तो जसले सिद्धि दाग निकाल्न गर्छ। इजी सर्फ एक्सेल इजी वाश।
Neoco solar water heaters, water purifiers, chimneys, the gas hobs le buzeko cha, your way of quality living.
Guyana. Harmeet Singh, who was playing for the Rangpur Riders there, the BPL team, has come in, signed by the Royals and put up to number 3. This is why he's here, because of that dismissal of Safe Saib. Also seen a signing, haven't we, for the Kings, Scott Edwards, the captain of the Netherlands, who was playing for Victoria in that competition. He's come in from Guyana too, just like our co-commentator, Darren Goff. People moving everywhere. A couple of big signings, those two. I think Harmeet Singh's bowling in particular is going to be very effective. How's he going to go with the bat?
I definitely see him a contender with the ball. Can generate some good turn as well. Especially these pitches that are just now starting to turn. We've seen some really good turn out in the middle. We'll just have to see how Harmeet Singh ends up performing here. I would have been a little more comfortable bringing in a proper batter at this point, a number 3 bat.
Bowled him! Mala only deals in spectacular deliveries to take wickets. He's taken 2 in the competition, and they've been 2 of the balls of the entire tournament. That was unplayable. The top of off kissed, and Harmeet Singh, the experiment at number 3, doesn't work. He's gone for 1.
He really did not look comfortable at all. Turned ever so slightly away and takes the top of the off stump. It's an absolute gem of a delivery. Just kissing the bail right off the stump. Excellent stuff. Mala gets a wicket, and it's the end of Harmeet Singh. 1 off 3. The Royals 58 for 2.
Well, the game has turned, it's changed. Neither you nor I, Manali, could work out why Brandon McMullen wasn't walking in at number 3, as he has done throughout the competition. But he's out there now. Harmeet Singh's stay at the crease. Short one, 1 off 3. Dismissed by, well, Darren Goff used the word Jaffa yesterday on air. He's going to use a bit of lingo that some viewers here in Nepal, and I think even you, Manali, won't have heard before, but that was a Jaffa, wasn't it? Oh, what a delivery, Sher Mala. He's produced 2 peaches so far this tournament, and they're the only 2 wickets he's taken.
This is my concern. When you start experimenting with a batting order that has worked for you in the past, you start to shake things up when it's not necessarily the best of times, especially when you're going up against the Janakpur Bulls, who have been unbeaten so far in the competition. They've got their combinations figured out. Why you want to mess around with those combinations now It beats me.
Down the ground, McMullen immediately into his work. Yeah, I think the slight delay we had in play there. Ben Mike is on as a subfielder. He's only played the one game, been a bit unlucky. He must have come on for one of the overseas players. We'll get that checked. As Mala nearly finds another. 9 bowled, 59 for 2.
सुजल डेयरीको उत्कृष्ट उत्पादन डिलाइट डेयरी व्हाइटनरले अब हरेक दिन डिलाइटफुल
तपाईँको असली एनर्जी रेड बुल असली नै रोजौं
DHI happier home today sa hai
Stars in the house and rapidly becoming the place to be seen here in Kathmandu, the MPL. Fusing together, we've seen actors, mountaineers, singers all come along. Even saw movie directors here yesterday as Lalit Rajbanshi returns to the attack in for his third. Didn't open the bowling today. Now, before we had the day off, we saw Sharmala produce a ridiculous delivery to bowl Arjun Saud of the Lumbini Lions. That was the carom ball. This one here in the last over. He's cleaned up Harmeet Singh with a stunner. Probably not much Harmeet could do about this.
Now squirt him right up. That little bit of grip and turn. And it was an absolute perfection when it just took the top of the bail. Right there, top of off stump. That's all you need.
It's a funny old game, isn't it? Whether you're a spinner, a seamer, whatever you bowl, if you hit the top of off, you generally aren't going too far wrong. Key is finding the length that you need to bowl to hit the top of off. So look at the field, still the 3 on the leg, 2 on the off in the deep.
With the wicket, the momentum's now completely shifted. It's just slowed the game down. Vinod Bhandari was striking it very well. Is now on your mind. We're 1 more wicket down now.
Yeah, and this sort of trend of it turning more in the morning match maybe than the evening game seems to be continuing. Definite grip out there, particularly for Mala. Even for Rajbanshi, who's tended to challenge the inside edge. And those projected scores have come down from sort of 170, 180. Might be quite happy with 150 from where they are. But remember, the Tiger effect. Dipendra Singh Ari still to come. Turn on offer. Oh, nearly creates a chance as Thacker does the fielding. Halfway stage of the first innings of this El Clasico, the first El Clasico of the MPL. Time for everyone to have a drink. The Royals are 62 for 2.
तर यो जिद्दी दाग यो निकाल्न इजी छ सर्फ एक्सेल इजी वाश यसको 10 हातको शक्ति छ यस्तो जसले जिद्दी दाग निकाल्न गर्छ इजी सर्फ एक्सेल इजी वाश
Himstar for a complete home.
Neoco solar water heaters, water purifiers, chimneys र ग्यास हब्सले बुझेको छ your way of quality living.
Himstar for a complete home.
सर कतै पर्छ
हरेक दिन हुनेछ